Hi everyone, I'm here to repeat my speech from Toastmasters Club that I did just this Sunday. And the name of this speech is How to Reach the Moon in 57 Steps. Sometimes we have difficulties in reaching our goals, in getting new habits, or even fighting with procrastination. I have the same challenges and I found the solution for us. The well-known domino effect, a cascade, a chain reaction, a propagating way from cause to effect, usually visualized as a similar sized block tumbling down in turn. The domino effect says that in changing only one behavior, we could activate the chain reaction and shift of related behaviors as well. So one behavior tied to another. It's like making the bed. After 4 days, it became a habit, and afterwards, you could keep on cluttering your room with no effort. In a 1983 study, the physicist of University of Columbia, the learned Whitehead, demonstrated the true power of the domino effect. The domino actually could knock down the block in 1.5 times bigger than their size. So he created a simple and dramatic demonstration that shows from the stone in 10 millimeter tall, smaller than coin of 1 cent, the 8s will be 1 meter tall, the 29s could flank the Empire State Building, and 57s could reach the moon. So the main idea is, if we want to reach a big goal, we need to find this first domino to push it with minimal effort. In 2009 was published a book, The Checklist Manifesto, that says how to reach our long-term project or our big goal. We need to cut this goal or project into simple, easier to achieve tasks, put it in a list, and organize it. What we do first, what we do second, and so on. And afterwards, we will start with number 1. In a 2012 study, found that people who decreased their amount of leisure time, sitting leisure time each day, they also reduced their fat intake. They didn't ask to eat less fat, but it became a side effect of changing one behavior. One domino knocked down another. Our task is to find which domino we need to push with minimal effort to reach our big goal. We need to ask ourselves, question, what one small thing can I do today to reach my goal? Thank you for watching. Press subscribe, leave comments below, and see you next time.